Hello there, it's Carrie Rhodes here. Welcome back to the Trinity Stamps YouTube channel. I am here today to share with you sneak peek day one of our January release coming out on the 30th. That's Thursday of this week. And I have a few fun things to share with you today as a sneak peek. For our first item, our first product for sneak peek, we're going to look at this adorable 4x4 stamp set called a Waffle Lot. It has this heart-shaped waffle. It has a smiley face. You're waffly cute in this large, bold sentiment. I like you, I love you, I miss you, a Waffle Lot. So cute. And of course, there's a coordinating die set, die cut out your waffle. There's also a die cut face. So if you prefer to have the face die cut versus having it stamped, you have that option. Speaking of options, you can stamp or die cut out the largest sentiment. There is a shadow layer die that also die cuts out the stamp sentiment. So you've got a choice there for your large, bold sentiment. I love the look of a die cut sentiment like that. All right, the other cool thing about this and options is the fact that this comes with a layering stencil. It comes with it. It's in the package, and this is what is going to bring your waffle to life. You're going to lay this right over the top of your stamped image. Let's look at that stamped image here. This is going to cover up all of the stamping and allow you to fill in those squares with a blending brush and some ink. Once you have that done, you're going to use this section right here and add some shadows to each of those squares. And that's what's going to make it look 3D and give it that true waffle look. I love that this is included with the stamp set. They come together, and we're going to look at some samples with this in just a minute, but I have some more waffly cute things to show you. So let's put this aside and we'll bring that out. We have a brand new stencil set, the Layered Waffle 6x6 set. Now there are 3 stencils in this set. We have our solid waffle piece, circular waffle. Then you've got the layering piece that's going to give it that dimension like we just talked about. And then we have a stencil that makes the syrup and a pat of butter, a little shine mark on the pat of butter, and you can layer all 3 of these up. This is made to work with our circle-shaped card, so you can make a waffle-shaped card. This is also great for other things. I'm going to show you it in some different ways on my upcoming card samples, but you will see it as a shaped card in the future with videos that our design team is going to be bringing to you. We have lots of videos every week on the Trinity channel, so if you're not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and do that. But you can see this is really going to make a darling waffle and syrup and butter to go on top. So this is really super cute. I love waffles. I love anything food related for crafting. So this release has me so excited. Here you can see what they look like in color. Isn't that fun? So cute. All right, let's take a look at some waffle cards. Now, this in and of itself is a sneak peek because one of these cards is going to be the card I'm sharing on the release day hop. January 30th is our release. That's the same day our design team is doing a YouTube hop and an Instagram hop. So you're getting a sneak peek at that in this video as well, but I wanted you to see how cute these waffles are with that stenciling, how it really gives them that 3D look. And if you've looked closely, you noticed that background on both of these cards is that waffle stencil. So there's different ways that you can use this, and I will be sharing these in upcoming videos so you can get a look at that. But I wanted you to see those waffles and this die cut sentiment. You're waffly cute. This is done with the dies versus the stamps. This face right here is stamped, where this face right here is die cut. So if you want to know more about how these cards came together, be sure to subscribe to the Trinity Stamps channel and follow all of our designers as well. Okay, let's move on. We have more food fun. This 4x8 stamp set is called This Calls for a Toast. It has the toast, the waffle, and a solid heart, plus a face that you can add to them if you like. That you can see there that the face is a separate image from the toaster and the toast. So it's optional as to whether or not you want to add the face. And then we've got dies here to die cut out each of those images, as well as a standalone sentiment die. A toast to you. So you can die cut out those letters and you can add them to these shadow layers. Now, the one thing about this shadow layer die is those words are going to cut out independent of each other. So you can decide whether you want to stack it like it is right here, or if you can put it all side by side and make a horizontal sentiment. So those are your choices. Plus you have these amazing sentiments that you can adapt for so many different occasions, because we have a sentiment here that says a toast to the happy couple, your birthday, your achievement, your success, your new job, your new baby, the newlyweds, your retirement, a toast to better days. And then we've just got some fun things for butter or worse. You're my better half. The best is yet to crumb. You're my jam. Let's see, a toast to the host. So cute. So there's your This Calls for Toast stamp and die set. Let's look at these all stamped out so you can get a feel for them a little bit better. It's a good size toaster image, and let's see, let's measure it out. It's about 3 inches by 1 3/4. And then your toast is 1 3/4 by 1 3/4. So nice size images. You can easily fill up your cards with those. And if you want to see a card, I'll bring it out now. Here is that toaster all stamped, colored, die cut out, and the toast as well. I just added the butter from little tiny squares of light yellow paper. I used You're My Better Half there, and the stencil in the background is one already in the shop. It's the checkered background stencil with the heart add-on. There's hearts and X's, so kind of like XO, but it's an X and a heart. Very cute. So really fun and cute stamp set. Like I said, food with faces. I love them. So there is This Calls for Toast. Now, if you like this too, if you like this toaster, just wait for our next standalone die set. I can't get over it. The toaster card die set. Now, this is a first for Trinity Stamps. You're going to get 2 sheets of dies in one package for this set. So you don't have this huge thing, that you have to store. This is, more of a standard size. So 2 sheets in there. So you get your toaster and your toast and all the little detail pieces. Here you can see you've got your toaster. You're going to have the dies so that you can make the dial, the buttons, the lever, and then your toast shaped card. And then 2 sentiments. Let's toast to you, and This Calls for Toast, where you can use this large bold word toast on either one of those. So this is really fun. Let's take a look at this on a card so you can see what it looks like die cut out. Isn't this so fun? Love it. So you have the large toaster base, and then you have a second die that's going to create that layered piece to go on top, a detail piece for the bottom, the handle, the dial, it's a 2-piece dial set, and then 3 little buttons. So cute. These could also be lights, right? You could have a green light, a red light, whatever on there if you wanted to do those in different colors. And then it has a slot in it for your toast. Look at the toast. And it opens. It's a mini card. It's about 3 inches by 3.5 inches. And then you can put your sentiments on here. I left the word toast right on the toaster. I thought that was cute. And then you can slide this in. Now, if you have your toast all the way in, this will fit in an A2 size envelope. So you could take the toaster, the largest toaster image, and cut it twice, back it, and have your toast pull out as the card. You wouldn't have to put this onto a card base. This, by the way, is a 6x6 card. So it is large. So you've got options with this. You can really customize it with different colors, different papers, and have so much fun with it. So this to me is just the cutest. So I hope you love it too. Let us know in the comments below what you're loving from today's sneak peek video. I'd love to hear that. Okay, if you like food, there's more. Okay, let's move on. I'm so excited to show you this one. Look, extra cheese. There's so much extra cheese here. This is a 6x8 stamp set full of cheesy images. Now, if you're familiar with Trinity stamps already, you may have taken part in our cheesy freebie giveaway last year, where we had 7 different sets that we gave away till they were gone. Then we would move on to another one. This was set number 2. It is called Feeling Blue. We've got some blue cheese, a couple sentiments, and a coordinating die. So we know how much you guys love these. So what we did is turn it into a full-size stamp set. Maybe you missed some of these, or maybe you love it so much you wanted more. So what we did is take the cheesy freebies. They are in here, but they are reversed. So you can put the two together and they can be friends, right? And then we have new things in here. We've got mac and cheese, or a noodle, so you can do mac and cheese. We have the little balloon guy, cracker and cheese. We've got a charcuterie board, and you might recognize these from a stamp set we do sell in the shop. That is Great Grater Greatest. It's got the grater, the cheese, and a whole bunch of cute images. There's the cheese grater, you can see. Reverse and reverse. So you've got those images you can use, but if you don't have these, it's okay. You have this. And of course, there is a coordinating die set to die cut out all of the things, your cute little charcuterie board, and all these happy and sad and blue cheeses. And I think this is just darling, so much fun. Here's the stamped images. You can see them all and what they look like. Oh my goodness, they're so cute with their little faces. I mean, they're like giggling and some are crying. It's so much fun. Now, we do have other things that you can bring in from the shop to go with these. You're the Greatest die set. So it creates a box cheese grater and a piece of cheese. And then you've got these die cut sentiments here that you can use with it. You're so great. Let's see, grateful. It's just really fun. You can mix and match those. So you can use these things that we already have with this extra cheese stamp and die set. And speaking of using with, we have sentiments. The sentiments are a separate set, and they are in addition to the cheesy freebies. None of these are repeated. So you can see there's a ton in here. Swissing you a happy birthday. They're all punny. It's called Brilliant Sentiments, a play on the word brie. Way to go. You've aged to perfection. Sorry you're feeling blue. You know the way to my heart. To cheddar is the best place to brie. You're stinking cute. So there's a ton of punny, cheesy sentiments in here that you can use with these new stamps. I think they're so darn cute. So let's see some of those new images on a card. Look at here. We've got a full panel shaker. We've got We Go Together Like Mac and Cheese. And I have the noodle here, the little piece of cheese, some hearts, and oh, look, some extra yellow tape. Isn't that cute? And then we have our shredded cheese to fill this, as well as something new in there I'm going to show you in just a minute. And in the background, I did use that cheesy background stencil. So isn't that fun? I think these make some really cute cards. I have one more to show you, but also one more product to show you that you're going to love to go with these cheesy things. So let me bring that tiny thing in. It's so cute. It's called Tiny Mouse. It's going to create this tiny little die cut mouse. Look at him. Simple and cute. The eye, actually the die presses a little dot into it. So that'd be a good place to use your white gel pen and kind of fill that in. And then you've got your tiny little nose and an accent to give the ear a little bit of a 3D look. So let's take a look at a card made with that. Isn't it cute? Oh my word. Look at all that fun shaker. All right, so there's the mouse. And then I used You Know the Way to My Heart, that cheesy background stencil. So fun. So there's the little mouse in action. And then, you know, you can use all of these brilliant sentiments with it, right? So fun. All right, so that is a look at the like stamps and dies and stencils, but I have some embellishments to show you next. We have a few new colors of our beloved sparkle spots. So this is just a look. We have a couple more, just a sneak peek. We have fuchsia, watermelon, orange, and lime sparkle spots. So you've seen these in our collection. We have the white, we have the black. We recently came out with like some turquoise and blue and silver metallics, but we're bringing you the color with these. Aren't they gorgeous? These are completely flat and they have that color and glitter in them. And I love these. They are great for accenting your cards that you want to keep nice and flat, so you don't have, you know, a bunch of extra postage you have to pay for a super fat card. And they're just gorgeous. They really sparkle and they make great fillers for shaker cards like you saw in my card. I put the orange in both of these cheesy cards. They are great by themselves, but also you can mix and match some of your embellishments and, you know, kind of create your own mixes. So there you have it. New embellishments in the shop, just a little sneak peek. Now we are going to be back again tomorrow with sneak peek day number 2. So you're going to want to come back for that. And then the following day, Thursday, is our big release. All of these things plus tomorrow's items will be in the shop on the 30th. That's also the day of our hop. So our design team will be sharing projects with these products on our Instagram, on their Instagram and YouTube. So you can come by, you can see all of these cute new products in action on cards made by different people and see the ways that they have used them. So it's going to be really inspiring, lots of cute things to see. It's always a ton of fun. Plus we do giveaways. So I can't wait for you to see that. It's always a good show. And also on Thursday, release day, I am hoping and crossing my fingers and my toes that I am going to be coming in with a live video showing off all of the new things and doing a little project demonstration for you with these things. So I'm putting that out there that it's going to happen. If it doesn't, then it'll be a pre-recorded video, but I am hoping that I will be able to go live and really experience this new release with you guys and hear what you think about it. So look for that, and I will see you again tomorrow with sneak peek day 2. Happy stamping. Bye.